We are at the latest mall here in Bangkok, here in Silom. This is Central Park Mall. Let me give you a little tour. This is by far one of the most luxurious malls here in Thailand, and that says a lot because there's so many malls here. First off, we're in the Silom neighborhood. If you look to our right here, we actually have One Bangkok, which is so funny because that's already a very sufficient mall. It's already very luxurious, but they had to open a new mall right here at this Dusit area. So let me give a little tour. Now just take a look at the grand architecture. You know, this is just a preview of what to expect. Just absolutely first class. So let's go ahead and go inside. As soon as we come in, we're greeted by the local goods. We just have a bunch of local goods here from our left to our right. Also over here we have like international snacks. Oh, we have Prime. This is 350 baht. I don't know how much this is in America. That seems pretty expensive though. Oh, we have Nerds. I haven't seen that in forever. Sorry, Cup. I got the Hubba Bubba. Oh, we got the Squid Game. Now just take a look above us. That is a crazy sight. So just like the other malls in Bangkok, the ground floor is dedicated mostly to food, to street food, to local restaurants, grocery stores. Got the 1 Michelin star in the Michelin Guide restaurant right here. Got the Boost. As you can see, we are just surrounded by endless options. Now the mall culture in Bangkok is absolutely out of this world. In America, nobody goes to malls. I mean, they go to shop, you know, but they don't really go to hang out. Whereas in Bangkok, these malls aren't for the ultra wealthy. These aren't for the like high class. Like malls in Bangkok attract everyone of different classes, of foreigners, of locals. It's a place to just hang out. It's a place to just get some food to eat, to just enjoy the chill AC from the hot outside weather, to just kind of walk around and hang out. I go to malls a couple times a week here in Bangkok just because I like to people watch. I like to do some eye shopping. I like to get some food. You know, it's not really about the brands or about the consumerism. It's just about, you know, being surrounded by a bunch of people, you know. And malls really provide that environment, and the architecture is absolutely insane. I'm gonna keep saying that in this video, but it's really, really ridiculous. I think this is perhaps the best mall I've seen. So this was the first floor. Now let's actually go to the ground floor. Just look around us, this kind of gold foil reflections. Very, very nice. And if the first floor wasn't enough, of course we have more options as well. Downstairs, we are just surrounded by street food, by restaurants. And to give you an idea, the kinds of restaurants here, they're gonna be in the premium price range, so at least around 300 baht per meal, for a pretty hefty meal. But the meals here can easily go upwards of 1,000 to 2,000 baht. So prices like that are gonna be on the pretty high end, especially considering the average wages here in Thailand. However, they have a bunch of street food for around 100 baht. So it appeals to different kinds of budgets. For example, here, this meal is only 99 baht. That's around $3. So it's not really that expensive. Wow, look at that goodness. So that's why I don't like when people say these malls are for the ultra wealthy, because that's just simply not true. And actually, a lot of these restaurants are Michelin Guide. Not Michelin Star, but Michelin Guide. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like in Thailand, you can find so many Michelin restaurants and they're like around $5-ish. We just have a ton of different goods and restaurants, street food, drinks, endless options. This place is absolutely huge. The entire bottom floor is just dedicated to restaurants and eatery. All right, we're gonna get our first snack. This is khao lam. Sorry, cup.
ข้าวหลามจิ๋วข้าวเหนียวขาวข้าวเหนียวดำค่ะเป็นไส้ถั่วดำ
Okay, เอาอันนี้ครับนึ่งชิ้นครับ Okay, ขอบคุณครับ
ร้อนนะคะ
So it's only 30 baht actually, not bad. Alright guys,
Okay.
check it. Check it out.
Bag sticky rice. This is a sticky rice cooked with coconut milk. They steam it first and put in the bamboo and burn it again. It smells good. You can see black bean. Oh my god, look at my hand. I will try. Wow, it's so soft. It's very soft. Yeah, not too sweet. I like it. It's good, right?
It's just like sticky rice, but it's like coconut milk, slightly sweet. That was good. No, I think that's enough for the food. Let's see what else they have. Just a heads up, you're about to see one of the most insane views of Bangkok from the rooftop that they have here. All right, let's make our way up. Wow, just going up this escalator feels very, very grand. I don't know who these architects in Bangkok are, but they hire the best of the best. So of course the prime real estate location here is going to be the Labubu, the Pop Marts. These things are absolutely going crazy in Asia, actually, and in America too. But yeah, just look at the crowd. We have so many people, and all these people in line right here are for Pop Mart. La Lisa and Labubu have absolutely taken the world by storm. This huge crowd just for some Labubus. Over here we have our fragrance department. And look at the ceilings. So that's pretty much the first floor. Now let's check out the second floor and go up these crazy looking escalators. Look at this view, guys. I mean, it's so grand. I love how it's like a spiral of LEDs. It's like you're going up like a roller coaster or something. This is crazy, honestly. So the second floor is dedicated to more or less clothing and fashion label brands. You notice how on the second floor there's significantly less people because, like I said, most people come to malls to eat, to hang out. They're not really shopping. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong, Bangkok is an amazing place to shop for clothes, but I really think the appeal is the vibrance, the energy, you know? Bangkok has some really on-trend clothes. Like, you know, this is pretty unique. Definitely not my style, but... So now let's make our way to the third floor and show you actually what the real highlights of this mall is. It's not the stores, it's not the restaurants, it's the rooftop. Oh wow, this record player is sick. Wow. All right, let's make our way. Time to go up these crazy looking escalators. Now the view you're about to see is probably one of the best views in Bangkok. Now this is the third floor. It's essentially more or less the same thing, just more clothing and local brands. It's your typical Bangkok mall stuff, you know? So the purpose of this video is not to showcase you all of these different brands. It's really to showcase the main highlight of this mall. We're here on the fourth floor. Got some more local brands. Very Gen Z styles here. You like that? Actually, it looks pretty good. I just want to show you another angle from the fourth floor here. It's like a pyramid of different floors and people. Really nice design. Now let's make our way one more floor up. All right, the final floor has a bunch of restaurants and eatery and drinks and just places to hang out and chill. We got some more high-end restaurants up here. The meals are probably gonna average around 1,000 to 2,000 baht here. You can just tell from the exterior that these restaurants are gonna be pricey. Like, look at this restaurant, for example. It just looks so nice. It looks like a bar. The architecture, man. It's so nice. I mean, this looks like it could be in Tokyo or in New York. You know, these cities where they have famous architecture, but this is here in Bangkok. Man, this is definitely by far the best looking mall I've literally ever been to. Like, I've been to the big malls in New York, like Saks Fifth Avenue. I've been to malls in Seoul, in Gangnam, like the COEX Mall, the malls in Tokyo. They don't beat this, in my opinion. I think Bangkok is the crown of malls. I haven't been to Dubai, but I'd say Bangkok has got to be the world's best malls, in my opinion. Let me know if you disagree with that in the comments. Now let me show you the main highlights of this mall, which is right behind me. This is the rooftop garden area. It's pretty much like a pavilion, kind of like a plaza area where you just hang out, get the views in, you know, and they even have a picnicking area as well. So let me just kind of walk through this entire section and kind of show you guys from my POV. See how romantic this is? We have the fish here. We just have some areas to sit. Just kind of enjoy the hot weather of Bangkok. Look at this, guys. If you guys have ever been to Hudson Yards or Hudson Valley in New York, I believe they took some inspiration from there. It's really nice. You know, I can't name so many spots in Bangkok that offers this kind of, you know, this atmosphere, these kind of views, this greenery, where you could just sit and enjoy the view and just hang out, you know? This is one of the best views of Bangkok for sure. I've never even seen these buildings before. We're here in the neighborhood of Saladeng and Silom. We got the Lumpini Park over here. And I believe this mall was very appropriately named Central Park because this literally looks like Central Park. Just look how clean and new everything looks. From the landscaping to the buildings. It's really, really spectacular. And over here, like I said in the beginning of this video, we have the One Bangkok Mall, which is already stunning in itself. It's already had amazing views. But now we have a rival here. And I love the way they designed this mall. They have different floors where you can just elevate yourself to kind of different views, and have just a really nice area where people can walk and enjoy the views. Now, in my opinion, if you want to be in the business district, if you want to be in a very polished area, Sathon and Silom is going to be one of the best areas in Bangkok. It's going to be on the more pricier side, but it looks super polished here. It's so modern, super good infrastructure. Everything's like brand new. It doesn't look as kind of rugged or what's the word called, as worn down or rustic as like Asok, for example. This neighborhood is very pristine. It looks like Tokyo, man. Like this view feels like I could be in Tokyo. We not only have this floor, but you can keep going up. It just keeps going up. I would actually recommend coming here around 6 p.m. That way you can still kind of see the daylight, but then see the sunset here. The sunset, the nighttime views are just insane. If you're looking for a really nice date spot, you should definitely come here. I mean, especially around sunset, it's so romantic. It's like dimly lit, a bunch of grass, like a greenery to sit on and maybe drink some wine. I don't know if they have open container laws, but wow, look at this area. See what I mean? Just grab a seat right here. Enjoy some food, drinks. Man, wow, this has to be one of the best views of Bangkok. Unbelievable. And see what I mean? These malls just attract people of all sorts, of all different ages. All right, I am currently on boyfriend duty, so I gotta take these pictures first. All right, guys, let's see what else they have. I love the little touches they have here with the waterfalls. And I believe some of them even probably have some fish. Let's just keep going up here. And then look at this little pavilion section right here. I don't know if this is what you call a pavilion, but it looks definitely like the one in Hudson Yards. Wow, this has to be one of the best views. All right, let's keep making our way upstairs and see what else they have. Okay, so we made it here to one of the tops, and we just have this nice greenery area. Probably could do a picnic over there. And actually, this looks like it would be an Apple store or something. Just make our way across here, swim through the crowds of people. Yeah, I just kind of love this area. It's like a plaza. Wow, what an amazing view. And you can even see the BTS right there. It's really an incredible skywalk surrounded by greenery and towering skyscrapers. What a sight. It's actually a very huge building. All right, now let's make our way up to the top. Man, these skyscrapers though. And in case you were wondering, this whole project is pet friendly as well. All right, it's quite a good exercise too. I mean, you can get at least a couple thousand steps here. But it's definitely not going to be a good place to do some laps or to run. I mean, it's just simply way too many people. All right, we're almost to the top here. What is here at the top? Okay, so we pretty much just have a rooftop area. We have the Spirit House. And then this might be the entrance. I believe this is the entrance to Dusit Central Park, which is definitely one of the most luxurious hotels they have here in Bangkok. And we have this nice greenery area. And And yeah, over here kind of just seems like it's an entrance to Tani. So I don't think we're allowed to go back there. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this amazing project that you guys have to check out for some of the best views in Bangkok. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at I'm Pauly. And as always, if you're interested in remote work, check out the links in the description. And I'll see you guys maybe here, or if not, in the next video. Thanks for watching.